Welcome back. We're excited to have Holly Miner from Wildcat Extension District here in studio with us twice this morning. And earlier this morning we talked about a cooking program, a cooking camp for kids. Now we've got one for adults.
That's right. We have a program called Cats in the Kitchen, Wildcats in the Kitchen. Not really a cat, but this adult cooking program is for anyone ages 18 and above, and it's an hour and a half long. We will learn all sorts of different things. You have a flyer that has all the topics on it, like dual duty meals, and we'll talk about herbs and spices and just ways to make your meal preparation a little bit easier. The people that participate in the program will also learn cooking skills, be able to perfect skills that they already have, and it's a free program. And if they come to every single session, there's 5 sessions. After each session or during each session, they'll get to pick out a kitchen utensil or item that they can take home and use in their own kitchens, and that they get to keep. So
that's cool.
There's some really neat things going on with this program.
I noticed that one of them has the word competition on it, chopped salad competition. How does that work?
So they'll actually be in groups, and the group will prepare a salad, and they'll have basic ingredients, and then we'll go through and talk about different things, and then they get to prepare a salad and vote on whose they think is the best.
Awesome. Okay. And this whole program is held in Neodesha, correct?
That's correct, yes. It will be in Neodesha. It's on Thursday nights beginning July 6th, so it's out there a little ways. Registration will start next week. So we'll take registrations. There's a QR code, a Qualtrics survey that they can fill out to register for the program, and we're super excited. We have 3 or 4 different funders that are helping us provide this program, so there's no cost to the participant.
That's awesome.
And each person will actually be able to go home with an apron as well.
Awesome. Of course, we'll have all the information about where you need to go to sign up on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. Thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
Time to get cooking.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.